Adverbs of manner. Often they end in ly. Learn English with beats. The quarterback ran powerfully. The dancer moved gracefully. The teacher shouted angrily. The student just yawned lazily. The hooligans ran frantically. The grandmother spoke wisely. The ground shook suddenly, and the thief crept sneakily behind me. The water flowed rapidly. The congregation sang joyously. The manager spoke frankly, and they listened thoughtfully. The team came home victoriously, singing and chanting raucously. She turned the lock curiously and pushed the door forward cautiously. Adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner. Of manner. Of manner. Of manner. Of manner. Adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner. Of manner. Of manner. The gymnast moved precisely, cartwheeling on the balance beam. The old man gave generously to the animal charity. The girl glanced up shyly. The moon looked on sleepily. She finally saw clearly, and the words came so easily. He picked up the animal tenderly. She entered the exam anxiously. I vow that I will speak truthfully. He pulled out the ring romantically. The diver moved so silently, down in the depths of the deep blue sea. The mother's eyes shone brightly, while her baby slept so peacefully. Adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner. Of manner. Of manner. Of manner. Of manner. Adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner. Of manner. Of manner. Of manner. Of manner.